As per the new rules of GST Council, 18% of GST will be applicable on residential house rent.
A tenant who is registered under the GST is required to pay goods and services tax at 18% for renting a residential property.
As soon as this statement came out from the 47th meeting of GST Council, many confusions were arised and many misleading statements were circulated. Personally, I was waiting for government to give more clarification on this particular rule, and finally government have stepped in and clarified all the aspects of this new rule and vanished of misleading statements that were circulated over the social media. After watching this video, you will able to categorize yourself whether you are liable to pay GST on your house rent or not. So watch this video till the end. Let's start with the basic. You already know that there are two types of properties: residential property and commercial property. Building flats, independent houses, row houses, bungalows, that comes under residential property, and office spaces, shops, that comes under commercial property. So before this new rule came into existence, commercial property tenants were already liable to pay GST on their rent. So it's an add-on to an existing rule that from now onwards, residential house tenant will also paying GST on their house rent. So let's understand this deeply. As per the government, any business entity have rented a residential property for their business purpose, and if they are registered under GST regime, then they are liable to pay 18% GST to the government. The simple meaning of this statement is, if you are providing any kind of service or you are selling any kind of tangible product and you are operating from a residential house and also you falls under GST regime, then you are liable to pay 18% GST on your house rent to the government. If you are staying with your family or you have migrated to other city for work and working as salaried employee, and there you have rented out a house, then you don't have to pay any kind of GST to the government. If you are selling any kind of product online and you have set up a team in a 3 BHK or a 4 BHK flat, then you are liable to pay 18% GST to the government if you are registered under GST regime. And if you are a business owner and you provide accommodation facility to your employees, then from now onwards you are liable to pay 18% GST on your rent directly to the government as a company. And the most important point, if you are coming under a category where you are liable to pay GST to the government, please take a note. You need to pay GST directly to the government. You can also refer this tweet by the government. If you still have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. I will definitely clarify your doubt over there. If you like this video, please consider it to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.